Hello everyone, today I want to share how to do scalp makeup by only using 3 makeup products. Before doing it, I prepared black and white water activate face paint from Wolfe and 1 black eyeshadow from Makeup Forever. First, I'm painting on my face with white water activated face paint by using a wet foundation brush. But remember, I keep a blank area around my eyes. Wait for first layer dry. I'm going to do second layer by using a wet sponge in order to increase white color saturation. I'm using an eyeliner brush with black water activated face paint to randomly draw an irregular frame. After that, I'm switching a bigger brush to fill in the blank with black face paint. Now I'm using the black eyeshadow to apply on black frames as a setting powder. Also keep blending black eyeshadow around the edges in order to create some scalp cracks. I'm using an eyeliner brush with black water activated face paint to draw the scalp lines on my cheeks and lips. Here, I'm drawing some lines on my nose. Switch a bigger brush to fill inside the lines on my cheeks and nose with black water activated face paint. Now, connecting the outside face edges around the edges of my forehead with black water activated face paint. Then switch a bigger brush and painting on 2 sides of head and the forehead line. Using the black water activated face paint to fill around in the nostrils and nose. Using black eyeshadow to create the lines around my nose. I'm doing the scalp 2 shape around my outer lips by using black eyeshadow. Now I'm doing some scalp cracks on my forehead with black water activated face paint and black eyeshadow. For next step, I'm using black eyeshadow and black water activated face paint to do cracks around my eyes, cheeks, forehead, and my lips. Plus, apply more black eyeshadow to make the whole makeup feel more three-dimensional. I'm using white water-activated face paint to apply the area between black cracks on my up forehead, eyes, nose, and teeth drawing area. Just because white can stand out my makeup, it also looks more clean. Basically, I'm almost done. I'm doing more detail on whole face in order to make this makeup stunning. Yes, I finished it. I represented scalp makeup, but only using 3 makeup products. To do this makeup is not difficult. If you could spend more time to do more detail, the finished look will be more cool and 3-dimensional. If you like this tutorial video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!